Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be announcing the batches, the October batches for A1, A2 and B1 course. As always, I'll be sharing all the details of each course and the books which I'll be providing in each course. Now, before further ado, let's jump right into the video. We are having 3 batches in this month, that is for A1 level, A2 level and B1 level. All the batches starts from 18th October. All the batches are for 3 months course. So it's from 18th October till 18th January. We are going to meet 3 days per week, that is Monday, Wednesday and Friday for all the batches. The timing is obviously going to be different. For A1 level, we are meeting from 7 to 8 p.m. Indian time. For A2 level, 8 to 9 p.m. Indian time, whereas for B1 level, 9:30 to 10:30 Indian time. We have free demo lectures for all the levels. So for A1 level, the free demo lecture is on 15th October at 7 p.m. For A2 level, the demo lecture is on 16th October at 8 p.m. And for B1 level, the demo lecture is again back on 15th October at 9:30 p.m. If you wish to register yourself for the demo lectures for any level, that is A1, A2 or B1 level, make sure you WhatsApp me on the given number or you DM me on Instagram, or you can simply mail me. All you have to do is share your full name, your WhatsApp number, your country name and the level for which you need the demo lecture. All these 4 details should be mailed to me or WhatsApp to me or DM'd me so that you can register yourself for the demo lecture. The demo lecture is free and open for anyone and everyone, so I want you, all of you, to be a part of this demo lecture. The fees for A1 level is rupees 10,000. It also includes the materials which we will be providing it to you. All the materials will be provided to you in PDF format. They will be mailed to you. The books included in A1 level is Studio Day A1. We have also created 4 other books. This is something which I have created for A1 level. So the first book is the vocabulary book. We have 12 chapters in A1 level, and if I just give you the textbook and I tell you that okay, you have to find the words and by heart the words, it becomes such a daunting task. So that's why I have created a separate vocabulary book chapter wise, so that whenever we start one chapter, we first do its vocabulary and then we move forward with other details of that chapter. So we have created a vocabulary book for the same. Similarly, I have created a grammar book as well. Do you know that there are more than 15 grammar topics in A1 level? That's right, more than 15. So you need tons of practice, tons of samples, examples, sentences, exercises on every topic. And that's why I've created a separate grammar book, so that you don't have to waste time going through different worksheets or going through different pieces of paper. You have all the materials of all the grammar topics in one roof. Similarly, I've also created a written exam book because you have email writing in A1 level. So you need to know what are the rules. You need to know how do you need to write an email. You need to know what all different topics and themes come in the A1 level. So for that exact reason, I've created a written book as well, where you get tons of different topics and tons of sample exercises and sample emails to solve for your A1 level. And finally, I have created an oral exam book. In the oral exam book, you need to have a short conversation between you and your partner. There are various themes on which the conversation happens, and similarly the introduction. So for all those things, you need to know what all topic comes. You need to know what type of questions you can ask, how you can answer them. All of these themes, topics and instructions are in the oral exam book. So now in total, you have 5 books for your A1 level. By the end of the course, we will be solving around 10 mock papers which will have exact same pattern of Goethe Institute, so that you will be prepared well enough for your A1 exam. Apart from Studio Day A1 book, all of these books are created by me. So you cannot find these books on the internet or anywhere. These are specifically created for our A1 course and can be provided to only those people who take admission in the course. Next is for A2 level. The fees for A2 level is 12,000, and it also includes the books, which again will be in the PDF format and will be mailed to you. The first is the A2 textbook, that is the Netzwerk book. Similarly, you have a grammar book, you have written exam book, you have oral exam book, and the vocabulary book. I know that if you have done self-study of A2 level for even few days, you must have realized that the vocabulary for A2 level is all over the place. It's not like chapter wise or paragraph wise, it's all over the place. So that's why I've created a vocabulary book specifically for A2 level, so that it doesn't become a daunting and intimidating task and you can easily by heart all the vocabulary you need. Similarly, by the end of the course, we will be having 10 mock papers which have the exact same pattern as of Goethe Institute, so that you will be well prepared beforehand before your actual exam. Now let's talk about B1 level. The fees for B1 level are 15,000. Now the way of teaching when it comes to B1 level is a little bit different as compared to A1 or A2 level, obviously, because you are now in the intermediate level. So now listen to this thing carefully. We are going to solve 25 papers which are exactly same like Goethe Institute papers. Hear to me again, 25 papers. So, and this is like minimum, okay? This is minimum papers we are going to solve in the course of 3 months. There are obviously 2 to 3 papers which are on the Goethe website. But apart from that, we are still going to solve 25 papers. So, that's a steal, right? Apart from these papers, you will also have a grammar book and a vocabulary book for B1 level, because obviously the grammar again is very vast, the vocabulary is again very vast when it comes to B1 level. And I'll also be providing you worksheets for oral exam and written exam. So yeah, those were all the details for all the 3 levels. If you have any questions, queries, you can either contact me through the given details or you can simply comment down below. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, cheers!